Today, we're going to do something safety related because safety is no accident, people. So what we're going to do is, I've noticed as I've driven my hot rods that don't have turn signals and stuff that people don't know what the hand and arm signals are anymore. Not sure why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you, and I'm going to ask Peyton to do them. I'm going to say, she's going to do, and then yeah, so let's get at it. All right, the first thing you do is you got to pick your tooth and put your arm on the window, or on what the window would be, so you pretend to be cool. So if I were to say, Peyton, you need to do a right turn. See that? Elbows bent 90 degrees, up, hand is open. That is your right turn. If I said do your left turn. Left turn. There's Peyton. Straight out. Hand is open. Now, if you don't have brake lights, I will say I have driven Clyde with no brake lights. Show us what stop would be. All right. This Bonnie's a little bit big for her. This way and down. Hand is open. The only thing is with Miss Bonnie, she has everything we would need. She's got a good old turn. Oh, yep, right here. Turn signals right there. Right. You got some headlights somewhere down in there. See that? Full gauges. Nice little shifter. Tack. You guys saw that one yesterday. Then you come back here. You got some nice glass taillights. And when we start the car, the license plate comes down like that. And then when you shut it off, it goes back up. Pretty neat. And I'll show you. Got a horn right there. Then we got our turn signals. All right. So those are just some basic hand and arm signals. So there you go, kids. A little bit of safety, because remember, safety is no accident.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on, Rich, and have a great day.